Welcome to the CAMP video library. In this video you will get to know how to create an email in CAMP. Email marketing is an effective way to generate leads by capturing email addresses through website sign-up forms, gated content, or lead magnets. Once obtained, businesses can nurture leads through targeted email campaigns. Go to Channels menu area and click on it to expand the sub-menus. Browse over the menu items and select the sub-menu item Email. Select New to create a new email. Under the Theme tab, enter the internal name for your email and browse through the pre-designed templates. Select the one that closely resembles the design you have in mind. You can easily customize this template to fit your specific email requirements. If none of the available templates suit your needs, you have the option to start with a blank or responsive blank template and design your email from scratch. Additionally, if you already have an externally designed email, you can insert its HTML code into the platform using the Code Mode template. Let us select Responsive Blank to design the email from scratch, as Responsive Blank displays the email in a more mobile-friendly format. Enter the email internal name. Enter the subject in the subject text field and perform the Check Subject Line check by clicking on it. Click on Check Subject Line. The built-in subject line checker in CAMP checks the email subject for spam words, readability, and sentiment. A higher score indicates better email deliverability chances. After the check, you can either modify or approve the subject line based on the results. Click on Builder to enter the email editor. The responsive blank template comes with pre-arranged text boxes in the first section and a footer section with sample footer note and company address. Clone the text box to add more text boxes or add new text box from the right side panel. Let's insert a logo of the company at the top of the email. Choose the Insert Image option in the Customize slot of the text box that was cloned. Choose the required image. Next, we can personalize the email to address each recipient by their first name. You can achieve this by inserting contact field equal to first name after Dear within open curly brackets. The contact's first name will be inserted automatically when the email is sent. Next, you modify the text to your requirement by adding an introductory note. Let's discover how to insert a two-column section into the email. Drag the two-column section on the right-hand side of the interface under section type to desired position. My email layout has to feature text on the right-hand pane and an image on the left-hand pane within a two-column section. Start with modifying the text to align with your email's content in the right-hand side of the section. Click on the Insert Image icon in the Customize slot. Choose the image you want to use. The image appears in the left pane. Next, you can add a button where you can insert the landing page link. Select the button in slot types and use the Add Above arrow mark in the text box in the footer to add the button above the thank you message. Modify the button properties to match your email format. Next, let us insert the social follow buttons below the button. To do this, select the social follow slot and click on the Add Below icon with the arrow pointing down located in the upper right corner of the button slot. This action will add the social follow slot below the button. Alternatively, choose the second icon to add the slot above it. Enter the social follow URLs. Update the company address in the footer and add the company website link to the company name by selecting the company name and clicking on the Insert Link icon in Customize slot. Please input the URL link and then select Insert. Include the text unsubscribe_URL within open curly brackets as the designated link for unsubscribe. This is a mandatory requirement for all emails dispatched from CAMP. Select Apply to apply the changes. Open the preview of the email from the Public Preview URL section and verify that the email is being displayed as planned. Approve the email or make modifications based on the preview. Select the Close Builder option. Use the Send Example button to send a sample email to yourself to check. Enter the email address and select Send to send the email. Note that the example email sent will not have the first name inserted, as this feature is used to only check the design and content deliverability of the email. This guide covered the steps required to create an email in CAMP. Email allows businesses to nurture leads by sending personalized and relevant content based on the recipient's interests, behaviors, and stage in the buyer's journey. By providing valuable information, businesses can build trust and credibility with leads over time, increasing the likelihood of conversion.